हेलो गाइज, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। नई जॉब, गवर्नमेंट जॉब नोटिफिकेशन, लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स एंड उनसे रिलेटेड स्टडी मटेरियल या फिर किसी भी एग्जाम रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम के लिए आप हमारा यूट्यूब चैनल नई जॉब एंड टेलीग्राम चैनल नई जॉब ज्वाइन करें, जिसका लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया है। हेलो गाइज, टुडे वी सॉल्व सम स्टोर सुपरिटेंडेंट एंड स्टोर कीपर ट्रेड रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस कॉमनली आस्क्ड इन एयर फोर्स ग्रुप सी civilian exams. In previous video we solved approx 100 questions in Hindi medium in 4 parts, जिनका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो विदाउट वेस्टिंग ऑफ टाइम। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, MRR स्टैंड फॉर, its full form is Material Receipt Register. Question number 2, store ledger is maintained in the these are the following options for this question. Then its answer is cost accounting department. Question number 3, the main purpose of stock adjustment sheets is, the answer is to record physical count. Question number 4, in stores accounting, the normal entry to record stock movement is, the answer is debit loss of stock credit surplus. Question number 5, bin card is a document that records, the bin card records quantities only. Question number 6, the material quantity which is ordered at one time to reduce total holding cost and ordering cost is referred to as, the answer is economic order quantity. Question number 7, level is the inventory level at which entity places new order. The answer is reorder. Question number 8, the inventory cost flow assumption where the cost of the most recent purchase is measured first against sale revenues is, answer is LIFO. In question number 9, the inventory cost flow assumptions where the cost of the most recent purchases are likely to remain in inventory. The answer is FIFO. Its answer is option number A, FIFO. Question number 10, the inventory cost flow assumption where the oldest cost of inventory item is likely to remain on the balance sheet is, answer is LIFO. Question number 11, the account inventory will appear on the balance sheet as a current asset at an amount that often reflects the of the merchandise on hand. The answer is cost. Question number 12, the inventory system that does not update the inventory account automatically at the time of each purchase or sales is the periodic, is the answer. Question number 13, if a company is experiencing continuous cost increases for the merchandise that it purchases, which cost flow assumption will result in the least amount of profit and the least amount of income tax expenses? The answer is LIFO. Question number 14, a company in the computer industry is experiencing continuously lower costs, which cost flow assumption will result in less income tax expenses for the company? Answer is FIFO. Question number 15, material abstracts is also known as material issue analysis sheet. Question number 16, first in first out method of valuing, first out method means FIFO, of valuing material issues is suitable in times of falling of prices is the answer of this question. Question number 17, material controls does not cover the following stage. Answer is production. Question number 18, material control aims at achieving effective material management. Question number 19, material should be issued by the storekeeper against, answer is material requisition and bill of materials. Both A and B are correct option for this question. Question number 20, stock adjustment account is debited with dash and credited with, so debited with shortage of stock and credited with surplus. Question number 21, bin card is maintained by the storekeeper is the answer. Question number 22, bin card is a record of dash only. So bin card is a record of quantity only. Question number 23, store ledger is maintained in the answer is cost accounting department. Question number 24, stock verification sheet are maintained to record the result of physical verification is the answer. Question number 25, raw material and WIP can be classified under. Question, its answer is direct material. So hope you like this video, and if you like, then subscribe and like my channel and share this videos more as you can. For latest updates, subscribe my channel. Thanks.